For people that are experiencing this live, that transition is super fast. There's not really any waiting, right? Okay, so we've got Moto up. Ngozi, continue. Oh no. Okay, we're good. I was like, it's bringing over everything, but it was not. It was way too long, completely unacceptable. Yeah, like you're saying, the loop can be pretty janky sometimes. Like, look at that loop. So good. That's where it's like, it's probably good to draw some loop supports just so that you have some reliable action going on. So let's go ahead and fix this stuff. 8 out of 10 transition. Too much water. Too much water. So there'll be a unique normal for this, but that's just going to be like the macro normal. And then the rest is going to be a tileable material on top of it with masks and whatnot. But see, we're already getting some weird stuff like this right here. Let me just geometry brush clean up. Let's just see if we get any. Yeah, cool. Fixed some stuff. Go into this shader here. They changed the way materials smooth, so I'm still like wrapping my brain around it. Because it's not in the game stuff anymore. Like, it says soften, but that's if you're like manually controlling it. Smoothing angle. Weight by polygon area. See, this is like, it's the same stuff. There we go. It was conflicting with itself. So this is one of the downsides of using that remesher. Is you get some weird areas like this in here. There's fly buzzing around you? That sounds terrible. So I guess up here we could optimize, right? You don't need that, all that geo. We could probably go every other along this path. Does it end? What's happening here? Oh yeah, it just stops you. In reality, I don't think we need to do this. So after this, I'll stop optimizing. Ugh. Oh, that's not how it's supposed to work. Ugh. That's terrible. Oh yeah, it loops all the way around. Okay, screw that. We're not gonna try and make this work. I don't have time, guys. There's no time. Okay, so let's see here. Man, this is gonna be weird with the new smoothing stuff. Let me think here for a second. They switched to smoothing groups, and then like you still have your per weighted normal controls, like normal, but a lot of it's been moved into the material itself. So weighted by polygon is actually in the material now. So if I turn off crease by smoothing angle, I should be able to, man, I don't even, let me see here. Because this part throws me through a loop still. I'm like, why? Okay, so we get our UVs, we get this. I need... like, where is the button? Smoothing group manager, because see now I would use smoothing groups. So you see what we're doing there, and then you can select hard edges. Is that? Hang on here. Yeah, see that's not even. Hang on. Yeah, see, this doesn't harden the edge anymore unless you turn that off in the material. It's weird. It's a little... Grupp, what's going on? It weirds me out. I'm still like... I haven't played with it enough to just get used to it. Crease by smoothing angle. Crease by hard edge. So see this? Edges. There we go. Find UVs, a nice little meditation puzzle. Okay, so we're going to turn wireframe on here. For now, I'm going to get rid of this because what I do is I unwrap by making hard edges. Oh man, that shit is gonna bug me. Pardon my French. That saying's so weird, by the way. Binary, what's going on, man? How you doing? I'm doing a little bit of cleanup. So this type of like crunching of weird triangulation doesn't happen when you're using decimation, which is usually why I tend to stick to decimation. But we're trying this way. So what I'm doing is I'm just checking the silhouettes as I'm going along like this. That looks okay enough, I think. See this one? Should just cut in here. That should probably just be melted together. That should be maybe like this. Okay. Yeah, nice fires. Okay. Just have to learn to ignore these. Alright. Just gonna walk away. Just walk away, Din. It's not worth the fight. Just gonna do this. Grab this little end here. No. Screw. Oh, one thing we should have in here, actually, is the heads. Main reason you want the heads is so you can see where you can hide seams in your UVs. Oh yeah, see now all the smoothing is jacked because of wherever this is at in the see, I don't even know why. It's weird, man. I'm gonna bring this above and get rid of these. Need to save this. Oh yeah, I don't know, Boiled. Oh, it's still doing the stuff up there. Oh, that's weird. Dude, it's because I brought this head in too. How weird is that? There we go. So that material purple had the crease on. Didn't I have a moto question? I can't find any good tips on the World Wide Web. Wow, I have not heard that in ages. Sometimes when I freeze the rotation of a mesh, it messes up the normals. This often happens after merging with a group or rotating individual. Yeah, so you're using the smoothing tools, right? Like the normal weight tools. It's because all the information is being stored in the verts exactly where they're located at, if I remember correctly. When that's the case, I need to clean that selection up. It's all locked in. It's like your normals are locked into wherever they were at. So you just have to refresh your smoothing, and it will fix it. See, you're not even going to see those seams. You're just going to see this one here. And that one, in my opinion, I think will be okay. So we're hardening by boundary. So you can see that there. So once I've done that, I'm just going to hide it. I'm going to take this upper area here too and hide that. Let's see what else we got going on here. So see when I connect these sometimes like this, I'm just trying to build like a more visually friendly seam. So like that's okay to me. Harden that, so it creates that hard edge there. We'll hide that. Oop. Uh-oh. I'm sweating a lot, guys. Like, what the hell? Little droplets. Dang, guys. Oh. Pretty odd issue Maya doesn't have as far as normal. So one of those spookier quirks of Moto compared to Avalanche with spooky Maya quirks. No pressure, man. I can't handle it. So I think I will make a seam in here. That seems like a convenient area to hide a seam. What time we at here is 8:56. We're making okay time, I think. Sorry, I'm like click crazy, so I apologize for all the clicky noises. Oh, there's not really a good place to hide a seam in this. Let's go further up. Boiled. That's great. Go to shaded, much easier to see. This is... Yeah, that's okay. Make those choices. Choose wisely. I think I'm just gonna... undo that. No sub sound, are you serious? Oh my god, 3 gifts, what the hell? Oh, it's because I have no desktop sound on. Lucas, dude, what are you doing, man? Lucas with the gift sub for Jordan, Test 19999, and Boss. Dude. That's freaking crazy, man. Thanks. That's, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I like the, that you gave a sub to Test 19999. Oh, look at all those. That's cool. I'm down with that. Is it D? Look at all that D. Or is it die? Die, 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 die. Okay. Wow, this thing's getting kind of gross looking. So this piece, we're actually going to have to try a couple of things. We can start by... This thing got all types of phallic all of a sudden. Let's take it to the doctor really quick. Oh, that's not going to work at all. I think that, so if we harden that edge, that work? Yes, it did. Okay. Let's save it. I'm gonna just check real quick, see if select hard edges. All right, so see, this is how I usually unwrap stuff, is you select the hard edges and then I try to unwrap using the hard edges. So if we go to UVs here, oh right, if I'm in contextual mode too, oh, it's so nice. Unwrap tool. Ugh. Come on, you got this. You got this. Let's show distortion. Ew, gross. Doggo appeared. What are you talking about? So we could take, where are we at here? We could take this edge here. Maybe, okay, maybe this edge. So that's like all the way here. We could take that and make that a hard edge. And then select the hard edges again. And then we can do the UVs again. Unwrap tool. So this piece, much better. If you relax, relax. That's okay. This one, now let's see what's going on here. So we can take this and hide it now. Makes it a little less phallic, right? Yeah, a little less. Okay, we'll put a hard edge here. We can put another one, maybe. Is there one here? Oh, there's one there. So what, that's those two? Okay, there's another one. Let's see if we can get like another, maybe in a crevice. Yes. Yeah, yeah, that one's a good one. Okay. Make that one a hard edge as well. Let's select those hard edges. I have Tiny Maros appearing on stream. I don't know how it's happening. It might be because of the subs. I don't know. Man, I feel bad that those gifted subs didn't pop up everywhere. You get Tiny Maros appearing on stream. If you click them, you get Maro crowns. I didn't know I had that set up. That's awesome. I'm down. All right, let's try this again. Okay, it's a little less distortion. Let's see where this gets weird. So maybe we can like, I'm like trying to find a good area to split maybe there. So if I grab these, make that one hard edged, select hard edges. We're starting to get somewhere. There's still some weird areas. Man, I need to get this all hotkeyed. With those being in different menus, it's kind of a pain. Okay, so this piece. Dude, Lucas, man, thanks for the those gift subs. That's super cool of you. Mr. Luke. Let's ooh, that's I don't know about that. Let's do that. Good old UVs. Hard edge. Yeah, dude. You guys, Luke's got freaking 8 years of following on this channel. It's freaking crazy. That's almost as long as I've been in games. Okay, I can live with the distortion on this one. Yeah, he's been following my stream since I decided to start streaming video games. Back when I was streaming StarCraft. Okay, so these are acceptable. Where is that pinch? So wherever it's red, like that area right there being red's probably not good. Let's see if we can't relax that out. Adaptive. Adaptive looks pretty good. Where is this? Yeah, it's in a pretty hidden area. That's fine. Let's grab these ones. This one's not bad. This one. This one's weird. Where's that at? Oh yeah, look at that. We should just take this and split that off. Oh no. There we go. Because 9/11, holy cow, time flies when you're UVing. Okay, let's unhide everything. Let's, okay, what we're going to do now is select the hard edges. We'll do an unwrap, and then we'll identify where there's issues. Max's UVs is what's keeping you there? I'll just do this. How's that? Okay, so we've got this. Select hard edges. Unwrap. What the French toast? That doesn't look accurate at all. Hang on here. Okay, these ones have been dealt with. What about this one? Okay, so with these, we need to find a good spot to split this. Man, I bet we're barely going to get a bake before the stream ends. You know what I need to do? Does anyone remember how you select two edges and then you tell it to select all edges between those two? I always forget that. Up arrow? Shift G, I think. So if I select this edge and this edge. Yes. Thank you, man. I always forget. That's I don't use it enough to remember it. So if I select like somewhere over here and then Shift G, yep, cool. This is good. This is good. If I double click to see where it goes and then undo it, I can go one way. Yeah, cool. And then up arrow to go the other direction. Waiting for that old F4 joke. Oh man, the struggle. Hide that one. Select them hard edges. All right, hide that one. Those ones are done. This one, you're next. So I'll double click that. Actually, first, I will click this one. And then I will double click to see where. What in the hell? How about this one? Okay, so click, shift click. Man, I need that one there. I don't know about this one. It's like, I don't know how to connect that one. We'll just get close. And then we'll make our own connections. You can't type for crap? Oh man, I'm sorry. But are the UVs are triplanar projection? No, it'll just be unwrapped. And then I'll be looking at multiple UV sets to do stuff. Any advice for when you're relocating? Leave as much at home as possible. Not even kidding. If you can go to your new job in a different country with just a backpack, do it. The feeling of liberation is overwhelming. My brain. Oh, wow, that one just kind of worked. That's weird. Oh, there we go. Almost there. Dude, I moved with a computer. If you move with a computer, put a pillow inside of that bad boy. If you're not removing anything out of the inside of it, put a pillow inside. Do some research on cost of living. Like how much is grocery, like how much is a grocery run? There's really good like cost analysis websites. Did I already do the, it does not look like I did. They do really good cost comparisons. And housing. Yeah, look into housing, see how difficult it is. If you can, get in contact with the, like ask the recruiter if they can help you get in contact with someone else who has moved over from out of country. That will be ultra helpful. Okay, let's try this. Select. Here, look at all this madness. Not too bad. We got this one's looking a little weird. We might be able to split this one off. Let's do that. Let's make that, harden that. What's this one? Let's see if we can relax. Let's see if this one relaxes. Nope. Okay, this one is a problem. How's this one? Rebellion? Dude, awesome. Alright, what's this one? Oh, right. This one's one of the ones we kind of accepted. It's skewing. Look at that. And that relaxes pretty good. So another thing is these are quite long in the UVs, so it might just be worth splitting them off every so often. So maybe like finding a good spot somewhere around there, making sure nothing else is selected, and then just making the edge hard. I like this one. This one's kind of long too. We can probably split it there. Right, and then this one was also, yeah, we already did that one. Okay, let's select hard edges again and do a unwrap. A little better. So this is pinching probably because we're not cutting into this one enough. Select this. Let's try and do a relax on it. All right, I'm gonna split that there. It's 924. We're doing okay. I think we're gonna get there. What's this area? Okay, that's under there. We're fine there. I just want to see if this... Man, that's crazy. Okay, this one's doing weird stuff. Look at all that. Tear that off. Just see if that relaxes okay. That's a no. Thanks, Luke. I'll see you later, man. Yeah, usually these are problems because I'm just not splitting enough at the end. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna save. So, virus, I actually think, so when you get into the games industry, it's pretty hard to get in to begin with, right? I think getting your second job, if your first job was 2 years or less, is harder than getting into the industry to begin with. Because, like, it's hard to tell the quality of the person. Because, like, they were in the industry and they don't have much experience, but at the same time they have some experience. It gets really weird. Oh, I see what's going on here. That edge right there. There we go. That should fix some things. Okay, select hard edges. Unwrap tool, go. Say what? It's a gray spot, man. So if you get in the games industry, I think it's harder to get your next job if your first job was 2 years or less. Oh, that relax though. Deploy the unwrappers. It's go time. Yeah, and I mean, in the US at least, a lot of people getting their first jobs tend to have like they have like year contracts. Oh man, I just did the unwrap again. It's gonna choke. Just let it ride it out. Nope. That was it. Oh no, it just tabbed over. Nice. Okay. So there's something weird going on over here. What is this? Yeah, you got permanent in the UK. Is there a trial period? Okay, let's save this. Let's do a pack. A packaroonie. Where you at? Where you at, pack? There you are. Gap in pixels. Let's do 2. Let's see how this goes. Nice. That's terrible. If we run out of time, I'm just going to do an auto pack so we can check the bake out. If I had Max strip unwrap now, get out of here. Yeah, Max has really nice unwrapping tools for sure. So one thing I'm noticing is there's some reason it's really like sluggish. Not sure why. Oh, I guess it was the visualizing of the... Oh, that's weird. Okay, so... what we need to do is identify these pieces and then give them some scale priority. Let's actually... So what I'm doing is I'm going to do a little bit of scale priority, which is essentially like give them just a little bit more UV space than they actually have because they're closer to the camera, you know? So scale those up. Let's maybe 130.5. And then we'll pack this. Well, we'll try and pack it. We'll see how that goes. Pack stretch oriented. Sure, let's just do 1%. Let's see what's going on here. I mean, sure. What I should be doing, I probably need to check the, where is it at here? Textile density, there it is. I'm gonna normalize. Look at that. Oh my god. We don't need to scale it, but normalizing it's good. I'm gonna do that. 3 to 4 years for your first job is good. I would suggest after that, you should go to another studio just to absorb more culture and experience other developers. That grows you immensely. All right, you know what? I'll go with this because I want us to like look at some other stuff. Toltic, what's up, man? How you doing? We've got a little under 30 minutes to go. Let's see what happens here. Fraz, I will use some layered material. Yeah, things are going well. You haven't been here in a while. We got foliage now. Where's the other one? So we turn the alter off and do left top. I think it's left top. Yes. We got hanging vine type stuff. Leaves, all the action, all the leavage. Okay, so let's go back here. We'll go to this crazy thing. Let's get this material off of there. Export. That export, though. Did it in 14 work hours. Nice. Dude, my massive art test was 104 hours. I went a little crazy. Get a new one later. Sure. Oh, what is... No. My hierarchy looks different. So all I did was I duped the hierarchy, so it's here twice. And then I've locked this one so that I can like navigate to things and then drag and move them into other layers without having to collapse and open layers as often. All right. I haven't tried baking. With the new way they're doing their normal, so I highly expect this is gonna get weird first. Let's see what happens. That looks like nothing happened. Feels good, man. Okay, let's see why. What time is it? Okay, it's 9:36. Good. See, that's virus. That's where it gets weird. Some internships don't want that. I mean, maybe. What version of Unity do I have? 2018.1. I think there's .2 or .2 something now. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on. Okay, we got this one. It's got channels, info, export selected. Let's just do a OBJ because. Brain, come on. There you go. Let's just do a, so we'll do a low res just to see if we can get the bake to come through. Oh, there it is now. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now we just need to turn up the resolution. Let's go for a 2048 normal. There you go. There's your bake. You can go to the gym now, dude. Let's bake some other stuff. We don't need ID. Maybe world space, ambient occlusion, sure. Curvature, thickness. Why not? The AO is probably gonna kill the stream. Just a heads up. Write it out. I'm watching the stream. It doesn't look like it's gonna choke. Perfect. Best part of 3D modeling. Cheese, what's going on? How you doing? You haven't really picked up on what baking does. What's the best thing about it? So it allows you to get a lot of information. Like, for example, if you bake, look at the down here. See that? That's bad. That's that geometry stuff that I was trying to ignore. I'm gonna ignore it. So while the geometry detail is quite low on this mesh, being able to bake information out like the high poly detail from a high res mesh onto this, using those UVs that we were looking at just a second ago, like these guys. This isn't even like well packed. They look like a bunch of little fingers. This is creepy as all hell. It allows you to imply a lot of detail for much cheaper than if you were to just like, you know, go for it, add all that geo. So let's just throw something on there just so we can see how it reacts. Sort materials. So we have this one. Nice. Temple stone. That's the temple stone one. That's funny. I mean, it kind of works. You could just tune the highlights and the values around a little bit. It kind of does what you need it to do. So, like, we have the moss, which probably would need to be a little less scattered. It's not bad, though. I mean, considering, like, before we had smart materials and stuff, you had to, like, to get anything close to this would take hours. Like, I remember those days. So the corrosion is the part that looks kind of funny right now. So maybe we can go into that and adjust some of the values. It's not that. Maybe it's this one. Yes. They cut the contrast down and then really like cut it back. So contrast will soften it up a bit. And then let's, even though this is concrete, let's just let's make the concrete more wood-like. I don't even know what you would. And then the corrosion, maybe we'll dude, it's using rust. That's so funny. I mean, that kind of works as like a base. Maybe the moss, break the moss up. There you go. Kind of working a little. Make the concrete look like wood. We'll just move these little sliders around. Perfect. Flawless. So we need to go to project. Let's grab that normal map, huh? Export resource. And then let's grab the ambient occlusion. We'll go into Photoshop. Photoshop. And we'll go into Unity and turn that off. I'm going to go to the alter tree. There you are, you big hunk of guy. Okay, so this project's fun. I mean, it's really long, and I mean, you guys know the primary reason is because we're always discussing things. Like, oh, like how about doing it like this, or troubleshooting and all that stuff. The next scene is going to be a bit more on the cyberpunk direction. I'm really liking the neon stuff, and I haven't really done too much hard surface, so that's going to be a lot more learning on all aspects. Let's see here. What smart material did you use? I just made it. Yeah. Okay, so let's locate this tree. I'm gonna go to the tree block out. You open this. There she is. Whoa, we got two open, I guess. We're gonna go back here. I'm gonna isolate this one. New mesh. Paste. 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 Boop. Oh. That's why. It was like, what are you doing? Oh, this is weird. Why is it over here? I'm just gonna close that. Don't save. We're gonna go back to this one. I'm like talking to myself. I can feel it. Power move. Virus, what are you baking? What? Yeah, Grupp, I think maybe a few episodes ago. I think when we were doing the leaf textures, I was doing channel packing in Designer just to show it. It was very alien to me, but I know it's possible. Okay. Open. Open. All right. New mesh container. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna grab this guy. I'm gonna go over here. Paste to Rooney. And then we need to start going in and deleting all the blockout pieces. Oh, it feels good, guys. Progress. Okay, so let's highlight this and see if there's any that I missed. Doesn't look like it. So these other ones, we're going to do some other options. I think the substance painter can now pack the layered matte shader, but you have to use that shader. Okay, so if we grab this, this one's tree. Paste that there, delete that. What material is this using? Purple. This one needs to use purple. All right, here's open. I feel like this might break something. Yeah, in the Painter Exporter, you can do that too. Definitely. All right, enjoy the gym, man. Thanks for hanging out. We got 12 minutes. Come on, import. Import. Get that material on there. Nice. See, this is what I'm talking about. It didn't show up for some reason. That's cool. It's probably there. Like if I drag it out again. Yeah, it is there. Look at that. Smoothing though. I don't know about that. No, that all looks correct. You know what's really annoying is I don't think there's a replace. Dude, the Quixel mixer looks really fun, for sure. Okay. I think. patience for this right now. I'm like, I don't have the patience, guys. This is gonna bug me. I think I'm gonna use the vertex snapping. Where is it at? We just need to match. There you go. Okay, tree block out. I'm gonna turn that one off, and then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna delete all these. God, the smoothing is still jacked on that. I wonder why. Yeah, Mixer looks really nice. Did you check the material, the import settings and materials? That's where I'm like, I think it's stripping it out now. Yeah, look at, oh God. Looking good. We're looking good, guys. It still has smoothing issues though for some reason. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's gonna bug me. Yeah, all these are separated too for some reason. That's super weird. I'm not sure why that smoothing is happening like that. Let's see. Normals, import, calculate. That do it? I don't know. Grep. So all these icons and stuff that are on the side here is from Hierarchy 2.0, which is a plugin that you buy. Yeah, no, it's still borked. I'm gonna have to look into what's causing that. That is gonna bug me. I don't think I can input a normal either. That's gonna work with that. Let me show and explore. I'll go in here and I'll open temple source center tree. We got ambient occlusion and normal. Getting close. We got 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. Oh, right. I need to, oh, no. So what I'm doing is saving directly into the directory. We're going to center tree, normal. These edges are probably going to show up in the geo, even though the normal is on there, which kind of sucks. But let's check anyways. And the normals are all borked too. Oh, that is weird. Oh, right. I need to I need to say it's a normal map. I might need to invert it too. Yeah, the whole thing's jacked right now, I think. If you hit re-import on the model, you mean like here? Re-import. Let me try it. South Stands, what's up, man? How you doing? Toltec, dude, 13 months. That's crazy. Might have to re-add it to the scene. You might be right. That sounds. I mean, if we delete that. Oh yeah, look at that now. Actually, let me go back to this material. Turn that off. Let me save it now. I actually don't need this floor either now. Yeah, let's let that re-import. Dude, Toltec, thanks for the resub, man. 13 months, I think, is actually the longest anyone has been subbed. Nope, that didn't. No. I'm like that. The bake feels pretty good, though. I'm excited about this. It's got the details that I'm expecting. Ah, it still worked. Man, I'm going to need to look into that. Tree main. Let's show and explore. Let's go here. I'm going to take the LODs off there. I turned that off, the material import. I mean, there's some weird smoothing stuff going on there, but it is smooth, so let's go in, let's call this one tree. Face. Pillar. Pit. So you can see this now because we have a, delete that. Let's go to tree. Turn that off. Wait, by polygon angle? Oh, interesting. Okay, let's save as, and we'll go center tree. So this one's brand new. I'll just save that. We'll see what happens. We got 2 minutes. I'm gonna try this. If this doesn't work, will it have bird poop though? Dude, I hope it's got bird poop on it. I say it like it's just gonna naturally happen. Oh. Did it not add it? Wait, what? Oh no, there it is. No, this one's still jacked. But you notice all the materials are working. Well, they're all working because they're the imported materials. I probably need to kill all those. I wonder if what I'm importing is actually broken. Like it doesn't have the UVs or whatever. Let me see what my... Let's go with Unity static as the preset. Let's say no on the materials. Or remove an edge. Are those meshes small in scale? I have no idea what you mean. You mean, are you talking about for debugging reasons? Face. Let's see if the normals are intact and then I gotta go. Or not the normals, the UVs. So we go to face. We go to... what? Hang on. Head normal. Oh no, we gotta go here first. The normals are intact. Okay, or the UVs. Interesting. Okay. So you wouldn't UV something like this with decent textile density. You could have uniform textile density, but that's why you need to layer your materials with multiple UVs, where one UV set is actually textile density correct. So you would treat this as your macro normal, and then you need your detail normal to help like bring the textile density up, like from a visual standpoint, not technically, but then layering on other materials and tiling those as well. Okay, next stream we're gonna figure out this tree and what's going on. I gotta get out of here, guys. Thanks for hanging out, and you guys have a good Friday, huh? That's some good feedback, though, James. I don't know if you are, but you should join the Discord. It's pretty fun. I promise. I'm there. I'm there, too. All right, have a good weekend, guys. I'll see you on the Discord.